Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can instantly age your pets to level 100 and grow a garden. So it's very helpful if, for instance, you have a level 50 pet and you've just mutated it with something else. Obviously, it's going to um, make the pet's age back to 0. But you can use the Mega Lollipop to change that. You're just going to take it out and you're going to select one of your pets. I'm not going to feed any of them the lollipops because I'm still not sure on who I should give it to yet. But yeah, the Mega Lollipop will turn your pet's age to 100 and the rainbow will turn it to 25. I don't know if there's any that are like 50. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.